Struggling to build muscle on a vegan diet? You're not alone. Vegan athletes often face unique challenges in obtaining essential nutrients. Protein, iron, and vitamins are crucial for muscle growth and recovery. But how can you bridge these nutrient gaps effectively? Supplements play a vital role in supporting vegan muscle building. Vegan protein powders are fundamental for muscle mass and recovery. Creatine enhances energy production and performance during workouts. BCAAs aid in muscle recovery and reduce soreness after intense training. Iron supplements boost endurance and energy metabolism. Vitamin D supports bone health and testosterone production. Choosing the right supplements can be overwhelming. Check the ingredients to ensure they are vegan and high quality. Consider your fitness goals when selecting supplements. Consult with a nutritionist or doctor for personalized advice. Potential side effects include digestive issues and allergic reactions. Monitor your body's response to new supplements carefully. Digestive issues can arise from certain protein powders. Opt for easily digestible sources like rice or hemp protein. Allergic reactions may occur with ingredients like soy or nuts. Read labels carefully and introduce one supplement at a time. Interactions with medications can pose significant risks. Communicate with healthcare providers about all supplements. Protein supplements are essential for muscle protein synthesis. Creatine boosts ATP availability, enhancing exercise performance. BCAAs support muscle protein synthesis and tissue repair. Iron is vital for oxygen transport and energy production. Vitamin D3 is crucial for calcium absorption and bone health. Fortified foods and vegan-friendly sources can help meet nutrient needs. Omega-3 supplements from algae reduce inflammation and support health. Blending different protein sources can yield the best results. Stay informed and make choices that align with your health goals. Unlock your full potential with the right vegan muscle building supplements.